In that breaking news tonight, there is no active shooter at the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World.
That word is from the Orange County Sheriff's Office. The Sheriff's Office says a fight happened at the park and a popping sound was heard by the guests. And deputies believe that it was a balloon, but the guests thought it was a gunshot and started running for cover. Here's video from inside the Emporium showing you the aftermath.
You can see chairs and merchandise on the floor, strollers left abandoned. People were ducking behind shelves as well. Again, no active shooter. That was a rumor. We have a crew on the way to Disney. We'll let you know when we find out more.